Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 2, 4 operations. The 4 operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are our 4 operations. In my practice time first, we will attend the questions on addition. In my practice time 2, we will attend the question of subtraction. Now our question number 2, fill in the missing digits in the following. Fill the missing digits in the following. Now here is part A. These are the digits. Now we will attend the subtraction from ones digit. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Now second one, 5 minus something is equal to 2. How to subtract? We will subtract 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So here is 3. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus something is equal to 0. 5. We will subtract 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So here is 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now 9 minus something is equal to 6. What to do? Subtract? We will subtract 3. Here is 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. This is correct. And 8 subtracted by any number and get 6. We will subtract 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. This is our part A. Now we are attending part B. Here is ones digits. We will solve the equation from here. A missing digit minus 0 is equal to 4. We know that 0 is nothing, so 4 is equal to 4. Here is 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So here is 4. Next is 6 minus any digit get 2. We will subtract 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Here is 4. Now next is blank space minus 4 is equal to 6. If we put 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, not 6. After 9, here is 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. This is correct. So 0 placed in this position, and this will be taken a borrow point. This will be taken a borrow point. So when we take borrow, here is 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. By borrow, here is 1. Here is 1. So 1 minus something is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here is 1. Now taking next, the blank space minus 8 is equal to 5. When we use 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So in the blank space here is 3. In the blank space here is 3 and taken a borrow for 1. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So when we taken a borrow point, here is 2. Taken a borrow point from 3, here is 2. Now taking a borrow point, this is 13. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Now this is 2. 2 minus something is equal to 6. Now we will make 6. We will make 6. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 minus 3. For 3 we will take a borrow point. So here is 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7 and 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. The answer is 6. Here is 2. So we will take here 6. We take a borrow point from here. We take a borrow point from here. Now the next one. Here is a digit. In the next one, here is a digit. Minus 1 is equal to 4. Digit minus 1 is equal to 4. When we place here 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. But this is 5 after. This is 5 after we will take a borrow point. So here is the answer is 6. We will take here 6, giving a borrow point. Here is 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So let's take in this part again. The missing digit minus 1 is equal to 4. Missing digit minus 1 is equal to 4. We will place here 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This is correct. So we will place here 5. But here we will take a borrow point. Here we will take a borrow point. So we place here 6. We will place here 6. When we taken a borrow point, this is 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now taking the last one. 5 minus something and get 3. We know that 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Here is 2. Here is 2. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now we are taking next part, part C. Here is 2 digits and answer operation is subtraction. First of all, here is 5 minus 6 is equal to 9. We cannot subtract 5 minus 6. So we will take a borrow point. So here is 15. Here is 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. This is correct. Now here is a digit. Here is a digit. Minus 9 is equal to 0. We know that this is our 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Here is 9. But here is a digit which already given a borrow point. So this will be plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This will be 0. Here is a 0. Which will be taken a borrow point. Let's take beginning from this. 5 minus 6 we cannot subtract, so we will take a borrow point. So here is 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Taking a borrow. Here is no any point, so this will be taken from here. Now this is 10. After giving a borrow, 10 will be 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. After giving a borrow, here is 7. Here is 7. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. This is correct. Now 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2 minus 3 we cannot subtract, so we will take a borrow point. Now this is over 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Now this is correct. Giving a borrow point. Here is a digit. Here is a digit and subtract by 4 get 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Here is 6, but this is already given a borrow point, so this will be 7. Now 7 giving a borrow point, 7 will convert into 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 3 minus 6 is equal to 7. Not possible. So this is over 13. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So this will be taken a borrow point. Now here is a digit. Minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This is 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. But here is a borrow point. Now this will be 4. After giving a borrow, this will convert into 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This is our answer. Now taking part D, starting from ones digit. A number minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So here is the digit 1. Now next is 7 minus something is equal to 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 cannot possible. So this is 17. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. So this digit is 8. This digit is 8. This will be converted to 17 by taking a borrow point. Taking a borrow point. Now next is, here is a digit minus 6 is equal to 9. When we place here 1, minus 6 cannot possible, so we will take a borrow point. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Now taking 2. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. No, here is 5. But here the digit will be 5 taking a borrow, but this digit is already taken giving a borrow point, so here will be 6. The 6 giving a borrow point, this is 5. After taking a borrow point, this is 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. This is correct. Now after giving a borrow point, this will be 7. This will be 7. Now attending 7 minus something is equal to 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 8 cannot possible. Taking a borrow point, 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. So this is correct. This is over 8. This is over 8. Now this will be converted to 17 by taking a borrow point. Taking a borrow point. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Now here is a digit minus 1 is equal to 4. We know that 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. A borrow point. This digit will be 6. 6 giving a borrow, then this will convert into 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next is 5 minus something. 5 minus something get 7. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 6 cannot possible. Taking a borrow, this will be 9, but here is 7. So 15 minus 7, 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. So the digit is 8. Here is 8, but this will be taken a borrow point. Now 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Now our next one is a digit minus 1 is equal to 0. So digit will be 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here is 1. But this will give a borrow point. So this will be 2. Here is 2. Giving a borrow point, this will convert into 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now next is 9 minus something to get 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So here is 7. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 3. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First is 236 543. 2,36,543 minus 0. We know that in any number, when we subtracted 0, the answer is the same number. When we subtract 0 from any number, answer is the same number. Answer is same number. So this is our answer. Now second one. A digit minus something, answer is 0. We know that 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So these both are the same digit to get 0. In subtraction, both digits are same, then the answer is 0. So here is the same digit. 1,21,695. This is our answer. The next one, 1,29,51,312 minus 1. If we subtract 1, the 1 in 1's place, here is 1's place is 2. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 129,51,31. Here is 1. Here is 1. Now next is a digit minus something to get 0. We know that 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here will be the same number. The same number is 264,132. This is our answer. The next one. A digit minus something, and next answer is the ones below from here. Here is ones below. Ones below means we will subtract 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. So we will subtract 1. The next. Here is 341. Here is 340. 341, 340. This is 1 below. 1 below. So we will subtract 1. 1 minus 1, 0. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next exercise, which is multiplication. Now our next exercise is my practice time 3. In this exercise we will attend the question on multiplication. The first question, multiply the following. Here is first part. In multiplication we will write here the numbers. These are our numbers. I will draw here a table. Now in first step we will multiply the above number with 1. 45, 6, 9 multiply by 1. In first step we will multiply this number. 1 into 9, 9, 1 into 6, 6, 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 4, 4. Then leave here one number, one digit. We will leave here one digit. Now in second step the multiplication by 1 is done. Now we will multiply by 2. The number is 40569, then multiply by 2. Now multiplying by 2. 2 into 9, 18. 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 5. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 into 4, 8. Now we will add here. Now we will add here 9 and blank. 9, 6 plus 8, 14, 1. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 1, 5, then 8. This is our answer. So the answer is 8,51,949. This is our answer. Let's take beginning from this question. Here is two numbers which are multiplied. So we write down the first number, then multiply second number. We draw a table. In first step, the above number will multiply by 1. Above number will multiply by 1 in first step. Now we will multiply 9, 6, 5, 0 and 4. This is our answer. In second step we will multiply by 2. We will multiply by 2. Here is first digit, we will leave blank. In the first digit we will leave the blank space. Now 2 into 9, 18, 8 and 1. 1 is carry point. 6 into 2, 12, then 1, 13. 3 and 1. 1 is carry point. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 and 1. 1 is carry point. 2 into 0. 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 into 4, 8. Now we will add these numbers. 9, 6 plus 8, 14. 1 is carry point. 1, 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Then 8. Now I am taking part C. 6, 5, 4, 7 multiply by 7, 4, 5, 6. We will draw a table here. In first step, the number will multiply by 6. In first step, we will multiply by 6. Now, 6 into 7, 42. 6 into 4, 24 plus 4, 28. 2 is carry point. 6 into 5, 30 plus 2, 32. This is our 32. 6 into 6, 36. 36 plus 3, 39. This is our 39. Now in second step we will multiply by 5. The first step will leave blank and the number is multiplied by 5. 5 into 7 35. 5 into 4 20 plus 3 23. 5 into 5 25 plus 2 27. 5 into 6 30 plus 2 32. 5 into 7 35. 5 and 3. 5 into 4 20 plus 3 23. 23. 5 into 5 25 plus 2 27. 5 into 6 30 plus 2 32. Now in third step we will multiply by 4. 6 5 4 7 multiply by 4. Now ones tens, 2 space leave blank. Now we will multiply by 100. 4 into 7 28. 4 into 4 16 plus 2 18. 4 into 5 20 plus 1 21. 4 into 6 24 plus 2 26. 4 into 7 28. 4 into 4 16 plus 2 18. 4 into 5 20 plus 1 21. 4 into 6 24 plus 2 26. Now in third step we will multiply by 7. 1 2 3, 3 space will leave blank. Now 7 into 7. 7 into 7 49. 7 into 4 28 plus 4 32. 7 into 5. 7 into 5 35 plus 3 38. This is our 38. 7 into 6 42 plus 3 45. The multiplication is over. Now we will add these numbers. 2 8 5 13. 1 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 8 14. 1 plus 9 10. 17. 17 plus 8 25. 25 plus 9 34. This is our 34. Now 3 plus 3 6. 8 9 11. 1 3 4 plus 6 10 plus 8 18. 1 2 3 plus 5 8 and 4. So our answer is 4 8 8 14 4 3 2. This is our answer. In first step we will multiply by 6. In second step we will multiply by 5. In third step we will multiply by 4. In fourth step we will multiply by 7. Then adding these numbers 2 8 plus 5 13. 1 is carry point. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 8 14. 1 is carry point. 1 plus 9 10. 17. 17 plus 8 25. 25 plus 9 34. 4 and 3. 3 is carry point. 3 and 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 9 11. 1 is carry point. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 8 18. 1 is carry point. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 5 8 and then 4. So our answer is 4 8 8 1 4 4 3 2. You can take a screenshot of this. The another questions will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.